How do you not let the crazy world dictate how you live your life? You're probably not going to believe this, but a Hans Christian Andersen quote that I read the other day while going down the internet rabbit hole inspired me to make this video. You're familiar with his classics like The Ugly Duckling, The Emperor's New Clothes, and The Princess and the Pea. 3 great stories. And a typical whimsical Hans Christian Andersen quote is, everything you look at can become a fairy tale, and you can get a story from everything that you touch. But the unusual, out-of-character quote that inspired me is something that completely shocked me.
Live happy, fun-loving, and carefree.
Whew, no green screen here. The Hans Christian Andersen quote that grabbed my attention is, enjoy life. There's plenty of time to be dead. Can you believe the author of whimsical fairy tales said, enjoy life. There's plenty of time to be dead. Many experts and many people in general think living safe in uncertain times like we're living in right now, is the best thing that you can do. My opinion, living life safe at any time, uncertain or certain, is the most unsafe thing that you can do. Hey, no point living in fear of what's happening or might happen tomorrow or the next day. You might as well be happy. You might as well enjoy life. If I've learned anything in my life, all these many trips that I've made around the sun on this rock screaming through space, I've learned to do what makes you happy. Please, trust me. Enjoy life and do what makes you happy. Remember what Steve Jobs said. If today was the last day of your life, would you want to do what you are about to do today? Do what makes you happy, no matter how crazy the big picture global world seems. Do what you love. Dance into a new chapter in your life. You live in a simple, self-sufficient country life. And you can live your self-sufficient life on the beach in a Hawaiian shirt, in the woods in a flannel shirt, or even in the big city in a dress shirt and a tie. Whatever you want to live, wherever you want to live, a happy life. And if and when your interests change, it's okay to end one chapter in your life and begin a new chapter. Decisions, choices are rarely permanent. It's okay to try something new. Maybe you all will have a happy beginning. Or maybe you all will have a happy ending. Life is really short and flies by. So get on with living. If you aren't enjoying life, if you aren't happy, remember, there's plenty of time to be dead. You are never too young or too old to begin enjoying life. Acting like a kid will make you happy. Do you remember back when you had a big cardboard box to play with? Maybe a cook stove or washing machine box, or the best box of all, a refrigerator box. Hours of making-believe fun, making windows, coloring with crayons. Yep, kids sing and dance in public. Look at life more like a kid. Enjoy life. There's plenty of time to be dead. Let your imagination run wild. Say what you mean and mean what you say. Right now, all of us are experiencing the big picture, global, life-changing real world here and now. We are aware of and being hurt by inflation, supply chain shortages, and all the many crazy things going on around the world. And this is why the experts think that you should be living life safe in all of these uncertain times. Sure, It'd be nice to live in a Hans Christian Andersen's The Emperor's New Clothes or The Princess and the Pea fairy tale world, but it's probably not going to happen. And hey, what fun is that? Live in life safe is the most unsafe thing that you can do. Take a good, long, hard look at what you're doing. Then do something that you don't normally do. Take a chance, take a risk, do what makes you happy and enjoy life. What's the worst thing that might happen? Might happen. Believe in yourself. You can live your self-sufficient, simple country life anywhere. And you can start a new chapter in your life when you want to. Maybe you all will have a happy beginning, and maybe you all will have a happy ending. The world is full of people who live life safe. You want to do more in life. You know, you need to change your life. When you want different results, stop doing the same thing and do things different. Is your family looking at you like you're the crazy person? Don't worry what other people think. You are doing something that they are too scared to do. Believe in yourself. Enjoy life and do what makes you happy. Maybe now people won't look at you living a self-sufficient, simple country life as an overreacting, conspiracy crazy person. Yeah, I know, it's a big maybe, right? Don't let the busy, crazy world dictate how you live your life. No point living in fear of what might happen, what's happening now, down the road. You get to decide how you will live your life. Enjoy life. There's plenty of time to be dead. Live happy, live fun-loving, and live carefree. Freedom! Enjoy life. There's plenty of time to be dead.